What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And if this is your first time tuning in to any of my videos, be sure right now to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your notification, that way you will know when I post a video each week. I try to come here and give you guys some type of value around, network marketing or building your business using social media. All right, so I want to dive into the content, guys. Of course, you're watching this video because you want to know a little bit about either this tool Builderall, or you want to figure out how to leverage your business using social media. All right, and I got you guys. All right, now here's the thing. Depending on where you're actually watching this video, all right, in the links below, guys, I'm actually starting a group around this actual platform. Okay, and we're not going to be so much as a support platform because they have that already, but what we're looking to do is inside of this actual group, which is on Facebook, we're going to be actually taking your ideas and making them into reality. All right, so I know everybody, have different ideas. They want to structure their business in different ways. The beauty behind this book, this actual group, is to be able to share with you guys ways of building your business. You get to look at some of the things I do behind my business, help you guys set up your email, set up your funnels, give some different insight on how to build your business using this tool, some of the things I'm doing with this tool, and then you just be updated as quick as I get information. You know what I mean? So if you guys want to be added to that group, there should be a link below. Depending on when you're watching this group, if it's if you click that link and the group is yet not formed, just put a comment below number 1. All right, I'll come back and add you guys personally, or I'll send you a message. And also, guys, which I'll be sharing with you, one of my membership sites that I built exactly with this platform. All right, and I will also have that link below. Basically takes you from a beginner marketer not knowing anything about how to build your brand or business on social media, taking you all the way to setting you up to run paid ads. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this training. So if you guys never heard of this platform, it's called Builderall. All right, I've been using this platform almost a year, and when I first crossed this actual platform, I kind of came in not really knowing how I wanted to use it. I knew it done a lot of things, but it was just one thing I was looking to use it for at the time, and that was build capture pages. Okay, which they have some beautiful capture pages, but just by me continuing to use the platform, I end up building websites. They have a feature where you can create apps. They have an amazing affiliate program. And recently, I just this year, I actually set up my membership site, which I'm going to share with you guys in just a minute. And I also set up an automated webinar, which was pretty freaking awesome. All right, so let me go ahead and log in. Just give you guys just a little bit about what I've been using. There is so much in this platform. I just want to keep this video short. All right. Also, guys, there's a link in the description below if you want to do a 7-day trial, just to dive in, test it out, get a feel for it. It's very user friendly, but just like anything else, you have to take a little time to kind of learn it, but overall it's very user friendly. On top of that, guys, the thing is, anybody that signs up or use this actual platform after their 7 days would get automatic access to the group. Okay, you get automatic access, and I promise you're going to get a ton of value. So the beauty of setting up your account is that you do not need your credit card information. So you don't have to worry about doing your 7 days, and after 7 days, your account be charged, or your card be charged. So you can set your account up for free. They do payment later, things like that. So don't even sweat it. Go ahead and set it up, guys. I recommend you just diving into it and just fooling around for 7 days. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about, guys, is if you're in business, and this right here is more so for my network marketers. Okay, a lot of affiliate marketers, they already have capture pages and things like that by default, but I'm a firm believer in branding yourself. Okay, I know a lot of marketers out there, they have a company replicated link and a company replicated website, and it's only going to bring people to the sales page, right? You may have your name, you may have your phone number, wait for them to contact you, but other than that, there's no way for you to gather the information or get that person to take the next step because you're not leading with value. So the beauty of having something like this in your business it allows you to brand yourself and position yourself to have multiple things going on, basically, that will tie people back to you. That's the beauty of it. Okay. So first thing first, guys, I just want to talk about the drag and drop option, as well as the responsive, site builder and things like that. So I just want to keep this really, really simple, really generic, but you do need a way for you to brand yourself. Okay. So I'm just going to start off with something simple, guys. Like I said, a drag and drop pixel perfect option here. Once we click this here, we'll go to a new website. All right. It doesn't matter what business you're in. Okay. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. They have templates for every single thing. And of course, everything on here is, you can edit it. All right. You can change these things around. But let's just say, for example, let's say you're in real estate. All right. Now, these capture pages here are freaking awesome. Okay. This one here is by far the most popular one. A lot of real estate agents use this one right here. Maybe because it's really simple. I tell people all the time, a lot of my coaching clients, we use the DTD method. Dumb things down. Okay. It don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be really professional, right? Just want it clean, simple, and getting people to take the next step. All right. But this one here, this template that I have pulled up here, guys, something very simple. All right. You can take your picture, edit this cell phone out here, put your own picture there. Right. A lot of people get to lead their potential prospect or customer with some type of offer. Okay. Just because you're in real estate doesn't mean that people are going to buy a house from your website. Like, they're not going to do that. Okay. But building your business actually starts with building your email list. All right. And if you're not building your email list, then hey, it's gonna be tough for you long term. But as you can see, a lot of these features that I'm just scrolling past, guys, you have this option. All right, these things they basically drag and drop, and I'll pull up the editor in just a moment. Okay, but it's simple. This is sleek. Just imagine if you are in real estate. Here are like 10 ways to save on your first, your first deal, or maybe your first sale, depending on what you're trying to attract, to your actual business, whatever your product is, right? Maybe it's just a video of, some of your work, some of your past clients, whatever the case may be, like some testimonials. The idea, guys, is to build trust and relatability fairly quick. And like I said, video is the fastest way. Branding yourself is the fastest way. You do not have to put exactly like your company name all over the place, but having something where you can edit pretty quick, right? And that's the thing. This is really time efficient, guys. So I just went into the editor of the same website that I just pulled up. So give it a little second because I am recording. But you have access to maneuver everything on this page. And guys, I love it. All right. I love it. Back. Let me see. Yeah, this is the one I had right here. So if you guys are getting value from this thus far, be sure to let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, post your questions in the comments below as well. Okay, so as you can see, as the page load up, guys, you have the desktop option, the tablet option, the mobile option. All right, keep in mind that most people are, they're using their mobile devices. Okay, the beauty of this, they have options where if you design this page right now on the desktop part, you also have the option here to go to the mobile version and manipulate this page even more. All right. So in the beginning, they keep it fairly simple, right? So if you want to change some things around, remove some things, kind of make it a little bit more mobile user friendly, you do have that option as well. So I'm just going to go here to the desktop version, just, let you guys, see how easy it is to maneuver these things. So, like this image here, even the cell phone, everything, you can manipulate everything, guys. You can manipulate everything. Okay. Fairly easy site builder. Okay. I'm going to move on. All right. Now, this next thing, guys, I want to share with you guys is the autoresponder, right? MailingBoss. I also use Aweber, which is a third-party autoresponder tool, guys, and I pay around $20 a month for this tool. Okay, this MailingBoss is a fairly good email system. I used it with a couple of things that I have going on just to kind of get a feel for it, see how it responds and things like that. And I don't have any complaints. All right, so that alone is going to save you money, because especially if you're on a shoestring budget, if you're just starting out, you want to find ways to get the things you need to build your business, get yourself in profit as fast as you can without having a huge overhead. And that's something that I had to learn, guys, the hard way. I had all these different tools and things I was using, but I have cut all those things away because I found it all within this actual platform. All right, so this is a pretty nice option. They also, like I said, give you the option to create your own app. So if you want to, of course, create some type of app, maybe you're a personal trainer of some sort, they have that option. The script generator, which I'm not going to go into on this video, but the script generator is amazing when it comes to copywriting and writing scripts to run paid ads. Once again, this is all within inside of your actual membership, right? But what I really want to talk about, guys, is the webinar. All right, the webinar platform, which I just recently did a webinar a couple of days ago. Okay, and I done this webinar on how to find the perfect leads without paid ads. Let me tell you, it wasn't just the webinar, guys. The fact that this webinar was done while I was out having wine. All right, I repeat, I was out having a glass of wine while my webinar was operating on its own. Automated webinars, right? So just imagine having something set up in your business where it doesn't take you to always have to go meet people for coffee, or have to be at home to do a training. I done that training over the weekend, set everything up, and I ran this actual webinar 2 days in a row, guys, and I never was home neither time it ran. So that's another feature. All right, so look, like I said, if you still on, be sure to set up your 7-day trial in the description below. All right, and anybody that sets up and go past the 7-day trial and become a paid member, I will know it, of course, because I will get your information, and I will personally reach out to you and add you to the group. All right, to our Facebook group. All right, but the last thing, guys, is this right here, this earnings calculator. I just want to just touch on this. All right, but the earnings calculator, basically, this does come with an affiliate program. All right. What I really like about this is that it's a tier 2 program. All right. So what I mean by tier 2, you're not just going to get a commission off your personals, or the person that actually uses this platform from your link. Well, if that person goes out and say, hey, they share with their business partner and they use it, you will actually get a commission from that as well. All right, so I'm just going to use something fairly simple. So it says right here, how many licenses can you sell? We're talking about in 1 year. So we're just going to use a small number. All right, so let's just say you did 20. All right, 20 sales, personal sales with this platform within a 1 year time. All right, right there, you have made at least an extra $1,000 that year. Right, but also this is what I like, guys. You are making a residual income of $300 already. Okay. You may not think it's a lot, guys, but statistics show that an additional $300 into a household will stop and prevent a family from filing bankruptcy. All right, so just kind of keep that in mind. So let's take it one more step. 20 people that you personally, shown this to, and they say, yeah, I like to use this platform. Well, let's say out of those 20, let's say you had 5 of those people to actually say, they're going to go out and promote this actual tool. All right. Let's say those 5 make at least 5 sales. All right. Look at how your residual income basically more than doubled. We're talking 20 of your personals. Out of those 20, 5 people say, well, yeah, I can use this. And I know a cousin or an uncle or someone that's in business that can use this as well. And they put it out there. Right. And it kind of duplicates. We're talking over a year time, guys. This is an additional, almost $700 residual income from a platform that you're using to build your business, right? So you able to get your actual expenses paid for and a commission. So like I said, guys, this right here, I haven't seen anything like this, guys. The price is going up. I did notice a slight increase. When I come into this thing, guys, it wasn't even $50. Okay, it wasn't even $50 a month to use this platform. But by me coming in early, I'm locked in. All right. So right now, this platform, guys, is only $50 a month. That's it. Right now, just imagine if you were to break this down, which I have another video on that, where I talk about the price points and things like that. If you had to use and try to separate all these different options into, especially like a webinar platform, guys, you would be easily paying anywhere, from $200 to $300 a month just to operate your business. What I just shared with you guys is a $50 per month system, right? Also an affiliate program, which is not going to take you no time to say, get people that's going to use this, because people are building their business, but they are not building it in a way where they're branding themselves, and you can sell anything. And they just released that they're starting a storefront, which I believe is on here. I don't know exactly which tab is that, but they are starting a storefront. So if you're in the e-commerce, me and my wife are about to get into start selling t-shirts, right? So we don't have to worry about buying a website somewhere else. We could just build it right here in this system. All right. So I hope you guys actually got value. All right. All the links will be in the description below. The 7-day trial will be in the description below. The link to the private Facebook group. Oh, and also I wanted to share with you guys my membership site. So here's the membership site that I actually created with Builderall. All right. Beautiful site, beautiful site. Responsive as well. All right. So just a little quick video for people that wanted to know a little bit about me and what's inside. All right. I did this thing, guys, in about 6 weeks, and I didn't know anything. Right. It took me about 6 weeks to do all of this. And creating all the content, and I'm also adding new content to this platform a couple of times a month. So this will be a paid membership website starting in 2019. Right now, it's a one-time investment. So I have a few testimonials. All of this was done with this actual platform. All right. So I'm out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys got value. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.